Hi everybody, I hope you're all well. I have been tasked with a question today to answer for you, which is what inspires me to dance and why do I dance? The first part of that question, or I'm going to answer it in two parts, is what you see behind me, the studio. I love being in the studio, and today is actually the first day I've been allowed back in the studio to do a class by myself. And I'm not gonna lie, it was really challenging. After having a bit of time off and only doing classes at home, it was really hard, but that is what I love about ballet and dance, is that no matter what level you get to, there's always somewhere to go, and you're always challenging yourself and always questioning how you can do it better, what can make it look better, and all those things. So that's the first part of the question. And the second is, I love performing. I love being on stage. I love the audience watching me, and I love feeling the energy that I give out while I'm on stage being returned by the audience. And I know that might sound a little bit silly or egotistical, but I just love performing and I cannot wait to get back on the stage. Anyway, like I said, I hope you're all well, and hopefully I will see you on a stage very soon. Bye for now.